Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over are observing the 27th October today as a black day to convey to the world that India has occupied their motherland illegally and against their aspirations. According to Kashmir Media Service, the day is being marked by a complete shutdown by the people in occupied Kashmir. Protest marches, rallies and seminars are being held in Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and all over the world to condemn the invasion of the territory by the Indian Army on 27th October 1947, as well as the revocation of the special status of occupied Kashmir by Narendra Modi-led Indian government on 5th August 2019. It was on this day in 1947 when the Indian troops, in total violation of the spirit of the partition plan of the subcontinent, had militarily invaded Jammu and Kashmir and illegally occupied it against the will of the Kashmiri people.